Good number to it. Okay.
I would like to thank the audience, our residents and also the residents of Indus Valley who have come here to grace the occasion and encourage us. We look forward to this encouragement in the years to come.
By the way, individual pair chalala. Thank you Balagopal sir, Deepa from Indus Valley, Vimala Natarajan, Radhika Sridharan.
Well, we have Deepa from Indus Valley. In fact, she is a very nice musician. We have going from the area, we have Vimala Natarajan, we have Usha Neelakantan, Ahalya Giri, and Mr. Shankaran, Meena Shankaran, and Lalita Madam. Then Radhika, in fact, a special thanks to Radhika, who's come all the way from Bombay to be with us. And she makes it every year. We are really privileged and we are really very happy to have her. And then, of course, our leader and our inspiration is Saroja Ma'am. Thank you so much.
No, mic on.
Last but not least, Marimuthu and Mr. Madan for making all the electrical arrangements and all that at very short notice. Thank you.
In fact, the thanks should go to the S3 team in our campus, led by particularly this function, Bhuneshwari, Marimuthu and team. And thank you so much.